let's get started on the script for the Black+Decker Handy Steamer review. Are you tired of cooking with oil and grease? Do you struggle to remove stubborn stains from your clothes and surfaces? Well, put down that bottle of cleaning solution and listen up, because today we're reviewing the Black+Decker Handy Steamer, a game changer in household cleaning. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I first got my hands on this steamer. It's not just for clothes, folks. It can also be used to sanitize surfaces, remove wrinkles from fabrics, and even help with pet hair removal. But why should you trust my opinion? Therefore, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what makes this steamer so special. First off, the Black+Decker Handy Steamer is a compact and portable unit that's perfect for small households or apartments. It weighs in at just 1 pound and has a sleek design that'll fit seamlessly on your countertop. But don't let its size fool you. This thing packs a punch when it comes to steam power. Therefore, let's talk about the features that really set it apart from other steamers. One of my favorite things about the Black+Decker Handy Steamer is its easy-to-use interface. Simply fill up the water tank, plug it in, and you're good to go. The steamer comes with a built-in temperature control, so you can adjust the heat settings to suit your needs. But what really impressed me was the included accessories: a clothes brush, a lint remover, and a cleaning cloth. Therefore, let's talk about some of the benefits of using this steamer. By using the Black+Decker Handy Steamer, you'll be able to remove tough stains from carpets, upholstery, and even your car's interior. It's also a great way to sanitize surfaces without harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. But what really caught my attention was its energy efficiency. It uses significantly less power than other steamers on the market. So, are you ready to take your cleaning game to the next level? Therefore, let's talk about some of the things that might be holding you back from buying this steamer. Some people might think that a steamer is just for big households or commercial use. But trust me, folks, this thing is perfect for anyone who wants to get rid of oil and grease without breaking the bank. It's also great for pet owners who struggle with removing hair from their clothes and surfaces. But let's talk about some potential downsides. Is it worth the investment? And what kind of maintenance does it require? First off, the price $40 seems like a lot for a single product, but hear me out. This steamer is going to last you a long time if taken care of properly. The water tank is easy to clean, and the steamer itself is made with durable materials that'll withstand even the toughest cleaning jobs. As for maintenance, it's actually quite simple. Just make sure to descale the steamer every 3 to 4 months and you're good to go. But what about warranty? Therefore, let's talk about Black+Decker's excellent customer support. Black+Decker offers a 1-year limited warranty on this product, which is pretty standard for most household appliances. But what really impressed me was their customer service team. They responded quickly to all my queries and provided clear answers to any questions I had. So, after using the Black+Decker Handy Steamer for a few weeks now, I can confidently say that it's been a game changer in my cleaning routine. Therefore, let's talk about why I think you should buy this product. In conclusion, if you're looking for a compact and portable steamer that's perfect for small households or apartments, then look no further than the Black+Decker Handy Steamer. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today. But don't just take my word for it. Check out some of these amazing reviews from satisfied customers. I was skeptical at first, but this steamer has been a lifesaver for me. It's so easy to use and removes stains like magic. This thing is a beast. I've tried other steamers before, but none compare to the power of this Black+Decker model. I have 2 cats, and let me tell you, this steamer has been a godsend. No more pet hair everywhere. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Black+Decker Handy Steamer today and say goodbye to oil and grease for good.